If your domain is registered with GoDaddy and you want to move it to Cloudflare registrar, this guide shows the full transfer process from start to finish. So let us begin. Firstly, log into Cloudflare and click Add a Site. After that, you can enter your domain name and continue. And then select the free plan. Then you need to change name service in GoDaddy. So for that to transfer to Cloudflare, your domain must already use Cloudflare name service. So you just copy the two Cloudflare name service shown. And then in GoDaddy, you go to My Products, Domains, Manage DNS. Replace name service with Cloudflare's and save. Then in GoDaddy, open Domain Settings and turn Domain Lock off. Click Transfer Domain Away and request the authorization code and copy it. Then in Cloudflare, go to Registrar, Transfer Domains. Paste the authorization code and confirm. Cloudflare shows the final price, no markup. Then you just approve transfer, check your email and approve the transfer. The process usually completes in 5 to 7 days. And this is how you transfer the GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare safely and correctly. And guys, if these videos help you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. This helps us a great deal, and thank you for watching.